Welcome back to my channel. It's ELLE KOS Glam. I'm so glad you made it back. Here I will be showing you a lookbook from Las Vegas. This outfit that I'm wearing is fire. It's from Diva Boutique online. I really love it. I love how the back is not sequenced so you can sit down and not scratch up anything. And the front is very smooth, which is surprising. I paired this outfit up with some Jimmy Choo Swarovski peep toes and Swarovski crystals, and the belt is from Red Dress. Before I left, I had dinner at the Four Seasons with my husband, and I decided to wear something that was casual yet cute. I picked this dress up from JCPenney's because it's still very warm here in Florida, and we live close to Disney World. We often go to dinner. I paired it with some comfortable Crocs because there's a lot of walking here, so I wanted to be cool and collected yet casual and cute at the same time. Everything will be linked below that I'm wearing. I also paired it with Tiffany sunglasses and Tiffany earrings. So I wore this real pretty sundress to fly to Las Vegas, and then I changed my clothes at the airport because it was kind of chilly there. But I wore this for church, and I really love this sundress. This is from Diva Boutique as well, paired with a Louis Vuitton purse and Vince Camuno wedges with Tiffany sunglasses. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below and let me know if you want to see more. Please thumbs up this video if you loved it. Make sure you subscribe, and I want to thank you all for watching.